Last month, the South Carolina Supreme Court vindicated Lauren Martel, a lawyer from Beaufort, South Carolina, who had previously competed against Alan Wilson for the position of South Carolina Attorney General. In January 2019, during a highly contentious case, Lauren Martel was initially held in contempt by the late family court, Judge Peter L. Fuge, as stated in the legal records. According to court records, attorney Lauren Martel first alleged that the judge had a conflict of interest in the case. During the hearing, there was a verbal exchange between Lauren Martel and the judge, which ended when Martel refused to respond to the court's inquiries regarding her client's affidavit. Lauren Martel stated that answering the questions would violate state ethics rules that prohibit attorneys from acting as witnesses in their clients' cases. "I was polite and courteous," Martel wrote in an email. "However, the court was trying to require me to do something that would compromise the rules from my interpretation of SC professional rules of conduct. Fuge passed away in 2022, yet the matter endured, and the South Carolina Court of Appeals reversed Fuge's contempt order in 2023. The justices determined that after examining the transcripts from that day, Fuge's conduct proved to be highly concerning." In an email sent to MyrtleBeachSC News, lawyer Lauren Martel said, "I am deeply grateful for the well-considered decision from the South Carolina Supreme Court affirming the Court of Appeals ruling in this case. From the outset, I upheld the South Carolina Professional Code of Ethics to avoid becoming a witness in a case where I represented a family court litigant. While the Court of Appeals acknowledged that my conduct during the proceedings was not perfect, it emphasized that the judge's actions were vastly more problematic, as shown in the record and transcripts from the hearing. Throughout that underlying family court hearing, I remained polite and respectful, even though the court was urging me to act in a way that I believed could compromise my ethical obligations under the South Carolina rules of professional conduct. Today's Supreme Court ruling serves as a validation of my commitment to these standards. I am grateful to my lawyer for excellent and very competent representation. Additionally, the case provided an important clarification on the unique requirement to serve the Attorney General's office when the state or a governmental agency is a party to a lawsuit, which will bring greater clarity to future proceedings. Justice has been served today in South Carolina. Last month, the question was presented before the state Supreme Court, and arguments were presented by both sides during a short hearing. Eventually, Martel emerged as the victor.